Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save contact groups from email attachment in Outlook. So open your Outlook app and go to the email that has the contact group attachment. This could be a CVS file, XML file, or Excel file. These files usually have columns with contact information like email addresses or phone number. Now click on the attachment and download it to your computer by clicking on Save As. Make sure you know where it's being saved so you can access it later. Then close the email. Then go to the People tab, which is the Contact tab. Then click on Import Contacts. By the way, choose the Contacts folder in Outlook as the destination for the imported contacts. This ensures your new contact group gets added to your existing contacts list. Again, as I said earlier, make sure you know where you placed it. Click on Import, wait for it to load, then click OK. Then go back to your Contacts tab or People tab to check if the contacts from the attachment has been imported successfully. As you can see right here, you can now organize them into groups if needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.